Welcome to Luxury Car Info. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 BMW C400X, a scooter that combines practicality with BMW's signature engineering and style. At first glance, the C400X stands out with its modern and sleek design. The sharp lines and angular bodywork give it an aggressive yet refined appearance, making it perfect for city commutes and short trips. Under the hood, the C400X features a 350cc single-cylinder engine that delivers around 34 horsepower. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT) that ensures smooth power delivery. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the C400X offers a comfortable and responsive ride. The scooter's agility and lightweight frame make it easy to maneuver, even in tight urban environments. BMW has also packed the C400X with advanced technology. It comes with a TFT display, giving riders access to navigation, phone connectivity, and vehicle information, all in one place. The intuitive controls on the handlebars make it easy to switch between different functions without taking your eyes off the road. Safety is a priority for BMW, and the C400X comes equipped with ABS and automatic stability control, ensuring confident braking and handling in all conditions. In terms of comfort, the C400X doesn't disappoint. The seat is well padded, offering support for long rides, and there's plenty of storage space, including a flexible under-seat compartment that can hold a full-face helmet. The suspension setup absorbs bumps effortlessly, providing a smooth ride, even on rougher roads. In summary, the 2025 BMW C400X is a versatile, well-equipped scooter that excels in urban mobility. It's ideal for anyone looking for a stylish, reliable, and feature-rich ride for daily commuting. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Luxury Car Info for more in-depth reviews of the latest vehicles.